Okay, so there's something very important that I wanted to share. So recently, my son has been, having problem with communication skills, and he's coming on the bracket of a slow learner. Okay, so he has problems with the communication. That's why he's having problems with making friends. So these days, you must be knowing that there's so much of competition in kids making friends, and I understand that kids can be nasty, when elders can be nasty, but everybody looks out for a friend. You look for a friend, I look for a friend. Obviously my son is looking out for a friend, but because of the problem, the hamper in his communication skills, he's not able to do that. So I am homeschooling my son for last 1.5 years. He was studying from kindergarten till seventh grade, and then from seventh grade he got promoted to eighth. That is beginning of the eighth, in a very renowned school out here in north of Bangalore. I'm just not naming the school, don't intend to name them as well. Very good reputed school they call it as, but the thing is, they take admissions like sheep, and what they believe is, while kind of uh, selling your admission, probably they'll say we'll do this, we'll do that, but it so happens that you'll come to know that if your son or daughter is not one of the best people out there, they don't give you chance. Okay, so this my child, he studied there from kindergarten till seventh grade completely, and eighth grade in the beginning, he was I took him off. Okay, he was not taken off, I took him off. I've still not got my TC, and after that I couldn't find a proper school. It was the same kind of strategic CBSE school where they wanted norms, set strict, everything was norms were strict, and studies were strict, and they didn't consider a child of a good character if they're not good in studies. This is still our Indian mindset. Okay, so it was very difficult for me. So now I'm working for a school, as you already know. Okay, so I had to enroll him for a K-12 school. So this is online school. So when I enrolled him, these guys, again, as usual, they preach and things like that, but I slowly saw that these guys are not, teachers are not coming and things like that. And first of all, my son has got a problem. Okay, his cognitive and emotional placement is not, his EQ is not placed properly. He is also getting, at the same time, I have to also think that he's getting into teens. Things were really not working out, and I had to start looking out for schools. So during this course of time, I come to know that NIUS is something which is good. So I stay in Hebal, so I looked around the schools in Hebal. But wow, they also have segregations, by the way, in NIUS school. Everybody again wants perfect kids only to teach, because it's so called that, they say that either we are underpaid, or we are having less number of teachers, but while taking fees, they are like 3 lakhs 70 4 lakhs. They will take the money from you, but they will not take the ownership of doing something good with your child, or they're not accepting you, they're just keeping you on the hanging. So there is something called right of education, but believe me, I tried looking out. This is only valid for those people. You have to be lower middle class, or you have to be poor. Okay, or you have to have a girl child, by the way. Agar if you don't have a girl child, then there are no preferences. Money, you are nowhere basically. I am a teacher where I am getting a salary which is not considered to be great, but I have to sustain myself in a place like Bangalore with all the inflammation, inflation around. Okay, at the same time, I have to pay 800 rupees per hour for any kind of sessions for my child, because his behavior is not right and things like that. And I have to also pay the school around 3 lakh 70, 4 lakh, 5 lakhs, and there is no end of those lakhs. But they will not take ownership of the child. They'll come back to you stating that, अरे आपका बच्चा ऐसा है, आपका, अरे आप कहीं तो consider कीजिए, what is this world going to? Now recently what happened, because I'm homeschooling, there is a constant pressure when I see all the kids around the world, around me. I'm also working for a school. They're laughing, playing, giggling. My son is suffering, he doesn't have friends. He gets down to the apartment, the parents come and they say, अरे ये थोड़ा अलग है, don't mix up with him. This is the kind of teaching what the parents are giving to their kids. They are not someone, they are basically, I'll tell you, they are not even teaching, they so-called normal people, they're not even able to teach this. How my son is too extra emotional, he is extra emotional, I do understand that. Okay, he tries to be one of them, then he gets beaten up or bullied and he comes back and he cries. I'm trying to place himself there, but I don't I'm him there, but I know some he will not be able to. But at least in this whole bunch of people, at least somebody who is kind enough to be his friend. Okay, because for a growth and other things, social life, you need someone. He cannot stick on to me. So I online I tried searching that ठीक है, he's got this holidays going on, थोड़ा क्यों ना मैं I put him to one of the English classes. So I come across this class called First Info Classes. Oh my god, you should see. When they kind of, as soon as I put my details to know about it, the first guy called Akash Sharma calls me up. Okay, then I say, sweet, look, my son has a problem, so I want the classes to be this way. He suggests me, in a group class मैम इतना होता है, पर अगर इंडिविजुअल क्लासेस लेंगी तो आपको 11,000 कुछ पे करना पड़ेगा. तो मैंने कहा क्या होता है इस इंडिविजुअल क्लासेस. They started telling me it's going to be according to your needs, according to this, according to your that, and things like that. I said, भाई 11,000 something is little too much for me. I'm already spending quite a lot for his social things. Here in Bangalore, you put him to swimming, 10,000 rupees, put him to boxing, 10,000 rupees. Nothing is less. 8,000, 10,000, 6,000, this is how it goes. Okay, and other batches, if you try to pull it, it's all filled. Basically, people are all filled there. See, these days people are earning great money. I am probably not amongst them. Anyways, that's a different story altogether. Then I enroll him. No, I didn't enroll him. Then he says, why don't you talk to my supervisor? Supervisor calls him, okay? And I say, look, sir, I think it's little too much, but I have a different requirement. I don't think it will be fulfilled. So by then, somebody knocks at my door and he says, so, madam, I'm going to call you back, okay? This guy happens to be Bengali. I think their call center is also in somewhere in Kolkata. So this guy calls me up again at 8 o'clock, believe me. And he sells me the thing. Well, they have two gradation of this class. He told me, I'll give you a better deal. So 11,000 I'll give it to you for 9,000 something, and if you're going for 2 months I'll give you much more lesser. So altogether it will come to some 18,000 something. I said, nahi bhai, I have to go for 1 month and see how it works. Now I had told them that I am homeschooling my son. I'm not going to be there. You have to give me something which is flexible. My husband has taken work from home to support my child. He has to go twice in a week to the office. So I want something which is supportive. Nobody calls up, and they call me at 10 o'clock. And they write a mail stating that this application is on hold because we tried calling her and she's not picking up the call. When I've already mentioned to them that I am working, to call me up at 4 o'clock. So again I start calling them, and this is a call center. It's like a big ocean. Every time you're calling them up, you are speaking to a different person. They don't seem to be leaving a file note there. So I have to kind of, this like a sad saga यार बोलो. हालांकि मैं sad नहीं हूँ, मैं शायद गुस्सा भी नहीं हूँ. मुझे लग रहा है कि अगर आपको भीख मांगनी है, आप अच्छी तरह से भीख मांगिए कि दे दो, हमें भीख दे दो. फ्रॉड तो मत करो यार लोगों के इमोशन के साथ. So I tell him all these things, and they give me a teacher who is grammatically wrong while she's teaching my child, and she's a master's. She's done a master's, it seems. And when I try to confront her, she says my writing is different, my talking is different. Oh my God. And she's teaching 12th graders. She's teaching even people who are seeking for jobs. I said, ma'am, grammar में आप कैसे mistakes कर सकते हो? She says, you are only talking something differently. I said, okay, fine, but is there a way I can talk to those people? She said, no. Everywhere they're making me close end. I've written an email. I am just recording. If you can just First Info Class, these schools and so-called education. I think Narendra Modi ji, please do something. आप बहुत कुछ कर रहे हो देश के लिए, but believe me, I mean, आप देखिए नरेंद्र मोदी जी, how things are happening. People like us who are normal, we are under loans, big time loans. इतना ज़्यादा cost of living है Bangalore में. Somehow trying to sustain. During my summer vacations, I am doing classes, taking tuitions, running around just to meet up my son's tuition fees here and there for his therapy classes. How would I sustain myself? मैं कितना काम करूं? There has to be some time for myself also. नरेंद्र मोदी जी, दिस इज माई रिक्वेस्ट टू यू. आप थोड़ा एजुकेशन सिस्टम को देखिए. लोग इंक्लूसिव बोलते हैं पर करते कुछ नहीं है. These people, I'm not talking about government organization. I think you're doing enough for it. But ये private organization, they're just minting here to mint money. Make things compulsory for them. Make things compulsory for them that they have to buy. They have to drive in certain value. They just can't, even a school like this big school I don't want to name. My son was there. Why did I even withdraw him from there? From kindergarten till 7th 8th standard, it seems there was nothing good that they saw in my child. And I was thinking कि इतने सालों में इन्होंने कुछ नहीं करवाया. स्विमिंग मैंने सिखाया, साइकिलिंग मैंने सिखाया, बास्केटबॉल मैंने सिखाया, दौड़ना मैंने सिखाया, सब कुछ मैंने सिखाया. तो आप लोगों ने क्या सिखाया अपार्ट फ्रॉम कंप्लेनिंग? क्या सिखाया आप लोगों ने? व्हाट आर यू गाइज डूइंग? दिस इज एब्सोल्युटली नॉट करेक्ट. नरेंद्र मोदी जी प्लीज, सबको जीने का हक है, सबको जीने का हक है. व्हेन वी टॉक अबाउट इंक्लूजन, इट इज एवरीबडी एंड इट इज नॉर्मल. मैं अलग हूँ, मुझे एक्सेप्ट कीजिए, दैट्स द वे इट इज नॉर्मल. लेट्स नॉट ट्रीट एनीबडी एज they are born with it. Please make it compulsory even in normal schools, because government school में सब लोग तो नहीं डाल सकते हैं, सब लोग नहीं डाल सकते हैं. For even private schools, make it compulsory. Make teachers equipped with it. Here India में लोग क्या सोचते हैं आपको बताऊं? Mindset of a teacher. आपको अगर कोई जॉब नहीं मिलता, आप टीचर बन जाओ और किंडरगार्टन टीचर बन जाओ, कोई क्वालिफिकेशन की जरूरत ही नहीं है. दे डोंट अंडरस्टैंड अर्ली ईयर्स इज सो इम्पॉर्टेंट. इट्स द बेस रूट, इट्स अ फॉर्मेशन ईयर्स फॉर द चाइल्ड, इट्स अ स्किल बिल्डिंग time for the child. If the child is not growing mentally well, if the teachers, they don't understand it, if the schools are not providing them and only driving in study, 17th 18th century के पढ़ाई अभी भी चल रही है. क्यों? change.